Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the DRich Show, where we talk anything and everything crypto. Now, here's your host, DRich.
Hey everybody, welcome to the DRich Show. This is DRich and today is March 9th, 2021. Hoping that everybody's having a terrific Tuesday thus far. How's everybody doing out there in the world, wherever you may be? United States, wherever you might be, Australia, the UK, the Eurozone, Canada, wherever you might be. I hope that you're doing well and this Tuesday is terrific for you. Thus far. But anyway, guys, thank you for all of my subscribers that are continuously tuning in, whether you follow me on YouTube, Rumble, or BitChute, or even on Anchor.fm or the many various platforms that I upload my videos to or my podcast to. So again, thank you guys. I appreciate it. It means a lot to me. It continues to inspire me and motivate me to put out video because that means, at least I know that you're listening to a good extent. I would agree. So thank you guys. But anyway, guys, we're going to be talking about the UOS token today, the Taco Bell craze getting in onto the NFTs. Yes, you heard it. Taco Bell is in on the NFT craze. We're going to talk about some other platforms that offer NFT services and some of their platforms, and also we're going to talk about the possible confirmation of Gensler for the Treasury Department or Federal Reserve, and then finally we're going to talk in the show with talking about some precious metals based on the market maybe being manipulated. But anyway, first we're going to get into the coin market cap as usual. Bitcoin's dominance is at exactly 60%, Ethereum 12.5, and Bitcoin is up $54,013, up almost 5% in the last 24 hours, guys. Ethereum bouncing back 1823. Okay, so it's still at the number 2 spot, hanging in there tough. And then you got Binance Coin at 284, up 20%, almost 21% in the last 24 hours, $285.48. And again, guys, if you guys have missed the BNB train like me, there's going to be other opportunities because of the exchange tokens that the exchanges provide. You still have an opportunity with the BTR token, which is up over the last week. You also have the Nexo token. So guys, don't fret or frown. There's always going to be those exchange tokens that will do very, very well. I just dropped 2 on you. Anyway, Cardano at number 4, $1.17, and pushing Tether down to number 5. Hopefully we could get that thing about it there and get some real crypto in the top 10, because if you're stable, you're just stable. That's just what it is. We ain't got time for it. We want to see some movement. We want to see some action. So anyway, we're going to get that action at number 6 at Polkadot. Okay, DOT, $38.16, up almost 12% in the last 24 hours. Again, that's one of my ones that I slept on for a little bit and got in on it. So I do hold Polkadot, and I love their ecosystem that they're building. And our beloved XRP is at 47, almost 48 cents at number 7. Okay, it's hit 48 cents, so I believe it'll get there. And what people don't really realize is if XRP gets to rolling, there's nothing you can really do about it. So at any rate, hold on to your XRP bags. You'll be well rewarded in the long run. Uniswap at number 8, $32.52. Look like it's taking a little break right now. It's down over the last 24 hours. Litecoin 9, $198.24, up almost 6% in the last 24. And rounding out the top 10, you got Chainlink there at $30.81, and it is also down. But anyway, guys, 11 and 12, you see you got Bitcoin Cash and Stellar XLM in the green which the market is, relatively green. So, it's a good opportunity to kind of like just hold your position. You don't want to FOMO into some of these things. If it takes a dip, then you got to get in there where you can, okay? Don't FOMO into these things, and dollar cost average when possible. So if you're in good shape, stay in good shape, take profits. I'm not opposed to taking profits. I think taking profits is outstanding as long as you do something positive with it and you don't go back and screw it up. Because if you just go screw it up, you might as well have just had left it there in the first place. But anyway, guys, moving on, we got this from Free Media Info. Chamber of Conference endorses Gary Gensler to serve as the SEC chair, and this was dated yesterday, March 8th. I'll go ahead and read a little bit of it and give you a quick view from where I stand on this. Anyway, I try to stay neutral, but at the end of the day, I always have to be 100% honest about my perspective. Anyway, Gensler's experience will be critical to ensuring businesses, especially small and emergency growth companies, are able to access needed capital so that they can grow and help enable robust economy recovery. Neil Bradley, the Chamber's Executive Vice President and Chief Policy Officer, wrote on Monday in a letter to the Senate Banking Committee. The Chamber has a history of working constructively with Mr. Gensler, including on issues where we may disagree, and expect he will be a balanced leader of the SEC and strong supporter of competitive capital markets. Okay, so again, last week we went over this question or thing that was posed by Pat Toomey, Senator Pat Toomey. At the CFTC, Mr. Gensler had a history of pushing the legal bounds of the agency's authority, which came from the top Republican on the Senate Banking Committee, said at Gensler's confirmation hearing last week. The senator added that Gensler's performance there raises questions about whether he will also push the legal bounds of the SEC's authority, in particular in attempt to advance a liberal social agenda. Now, guys, sometimes they like to mix things into things that really don't matter as far as the stimulus package is concerned. It's a bunch of bullshit, excuse my language, but it is, because here we are in a pandemic. Only 9% of the total package goes to the people. There's 91% going out to different places, different countries and stuff like that. So I don't know what this guy is really going to do. As we know, the Federal Reserve merged with the Treasury Department. So again, these guys are in their position for a reason. So I'll move forward. And once March and lockstep with congressional Republicans, the alliance started to fracture during the President Donald Trump's term. This group split from the GOP on trade and immigration issues and backed several Democratic congressional candidates in the 2020 elections. So what this guy wants to do, he wants to make it clear that if confirmed, he will push corporations to disclose more about their political spending, an effort to the chamber, which has led the fight that they want to quash. Guys, just be mindful of that. If they're looking to find out who is their political donor, all they got to do is just go online and find out. It's very simple. This rhetoric is a bunch of crap. But then again, the chamber has been vocally supportive of the Biden administration. I don't think Biden will be president much longer. Just watch his performance on Thursday, and you make your determination about how they're going to try to remove this guy out of office. So anyway, guys, these people are being put in position for a specific reason. Don't underestimate the fact that these people are fighting for, their dominance. They're fighting for control. And when you have a system that is being imploded or trying to be removed, these people are going to fight tooth and nail because they have had backhanded deals. They've been, paid off, or, things like that. I, I reserve my judgment. If I'm wrong, then, I'll say that I'm wrong, but more than likely, you're going to find out that these people have been bribed in this administration. You're going to find out that these people are trying to undo a whole lot of things that the previous administration had put in place. And you can actually see it. You see gas prices going up. You see hundreds of thousands of people losing their jobs. And, you see a stimulus bill, with a bunch of bullshit packed into it. Again, guys, I implore you to, monitor the behavior of the market every single day. Read up on this stuff, educate yourself, immerse yourself in the idea that these people don't get mad at me when I say this, deem XRP as a security, only because of the simple fact that they know that XRP, cryptocurrency, is a game changer, and that means their system goes away. So they're going to fight, and they know what XRP is. They know what XRP, you better believe they know. So I don't want to blab on it too much, but you better believe this is why they're talking negative about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, because they know that once the people decide what their currencies are, what the system, like the XRPL, which will have the central banks on their system. So, okay, we're building a parallel economy for the people. Okay, so when you have them, bashing cryptocurrencies and saying that we want straight fiat currency, things like that, you better believe their time is coming to an end with their system. So again, do your due diligence, do your own research, come to your own conclusions. I can't, tell you what to believe. No matter what you believe, I respect your opinion. I respect your ideas, just as well as I would hope you just kind of consider mine as at the very least. So anyway, we're going to move right on into these NFTs. Sorry for that little rant, guys. I didn't mean to get into the political part of it. But, you got to be observant because they're all interconnected. Anyway, this is coming from Cointelegraph, The Future of Money. This is written by Jordan Finiseth. 22 hours ago, Ultra UOS hits a new all-time high as blockchain gaming and NFTs boom. Ultra gains momentum as the popularity of NFTs and cross-chain interoperability help propel the US token to new highs. So guys, if you guys are into gaming, there's many gaming tokens. UOS is one of them. Ultra is one that I do have in my portfolio. Okay, video games and online gaming have become some of the largest industries on the planet over the past 30 years, as digital technology and the internet have interconnected people from around the world and transformed us into a global society. So Ultra, which is a blockchain-based PC game distribution platform created for gamers and game developers, and allows users to develop multiple revenue streams, including the ability to resell games and in-game items. So again, we're talking about like skin for Fortnite, things like that. So guys, this is a big thing that's about to take off, and we will be talking about NFTs a whole lot. Okay, so the NFT popularity provides a boost for Ultra. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are one of the fastest growing trends in cryptocurrencies currently, and UOS has benefited from their growth. The developers at Ultra have been focused on their technology underlying NFTs, as they can enable unique in-game items to be resold in multiple marketplaces and eventually on decentralized exchanges. All right. So if you guys are into UOS, it's my suggestion or recommendation to, put it in your portfolio. You'll be surprised by the returns that it'll give you. Aside from its main association with the gaming giant Ubisoft, Recent partnerships with globally recognized companies like the semiconductor manufacturer AMD and Atari have also helped propel UOS price higher in 2021. So guys, go ahead and get you some of that UOS, and you'll be just great later in the back end of it. Anyway, this is coming from the block. This is Taco Bell just launched and sold out a collection of taco themed NFTs. Wow, guys. And this is by Sania Moore. So guys, I mean, boom, get off, leave me alone. Anyway, let's get out of that. Anyway, if you are hungry for tacos, more specifically digital tacos on the blockchain, you'll have to stay hungry a little longer. Okay, Taco Bell created 5 different NFTs, selling them in collections of 5. The tokens were initially put on sale for 0.001 ETH, which is $1.79, with the highest bid going up to 0.4 ETH, which was $700. Their spicy potato soft tacos can now live in your hearts, stomachs, and digital wallets. The chain tweeted the announcement, prompting numerous responses from Twitter users. So guys, I mean, this is growing really, really fast, and very, very popular. And, you know, it's just different. It's way different. So, you know, everybody's joining in on this thing, and, you know, it's a good thing to be a part of if you're not a part of it already. So anyway, here's another platform where you can go and get NFTs. This is alohadefi.io. I haven't really got into the platform yet, but, you know, I've had it on my to get to list. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can claim Aloha yet. You know, the NFT website, this is kind of a little bit different. It gives you their token distribution breakdown, things like that. So guys, this is just another platform to build, you know, a portfolio of just different types of cards, I guess. So, you know, again, you do your due diligence, do your research. I don't know too much about, you know, aloha.io, but you know what? I will be diving into it, and the more and more I get familiar and acclimated to some of these different platforms, exchanges for NFTs, we will be putting it out on the video. Okay. Anyway, there's another one, Railroad.com, where you could go ahead and get some more types of NFTs. You can read right here how it works, connect your wallet, create, do whatever you need to do as far as a you know, collector of sorts. And there's different types of you know, digital art, things like that as far as NFTs are concerned. And here you go, Taco Bell art. Wow, amazing what people will do to make it happen. So anyway, guys, I'll leave this here, right here, all of these little channels in the description. Moving forward, we got decentraland.org. On this one, I believe you can get involved with the game, create and explore trade in the first ever virtual world owned by its users. So this is kind of like something that my kids would do. So, you know, like I'm passing it on to them, all of this NFT stuff. I think, you know, they're getting excited. They're kind of starting to understand it as I talk to them about it a little bit more, because sometimes, you know, dad talks a little bit too much to them about other stuff or other opportunities. And, you know, they're just probably trying to be teenagers growing up, not trying to have dad bombard them with different type of opportunities at the moment. But anyway, lose yourself in an amazing evolving world, explore lands owned by users to experience incredible scenes and structures, from a space adventure to a medieval dungeon maze to entire villages crafted from the minds of community members. So, like, this is just creativity all in one. This is awesome. Test the limits of your imagination. You know, you can trade the virtual destination for digital assets, stuff like that, you know, skins. And this is just way crazy. And, you know, I've always talked to my kids about these things popping up. And here it is. I'm just doing deep dives about it and just getting acclimated with the NFTs, where they, you know, what they're doing and how all of that stuff is going. And anyway, we're going to move forward. This is another NFT which was handed down to me from from Polka Dot Pepe. If you follow him on Twitter, he gives out solid advice. So if he's ever listening to my videos, I just want to say thank him, because he has connected a lot of dots with the UOS token. He's all about, connecting dots with oracles, things like that. He's very brilliant. So anyway, sandbox.game. You can go over here, set up stuff, and check this website out for different NFTs. As silly as it sounds, this is just next level stuff for me. Okay, and I just really can't put my mind on it. I'm blown away by all of this stuff. So these are a few exchanges, platforms. I'll continue to share with you because there are several others. We'll also be talking about other NFT tokens or things like that, so that you can kind of go and dive into some of these, like the Mana token. I do hold Decentraland, so if you have that, go ahead and you can get that on Coinbase if you're a Coinbase user. So I can't tell you what to do. This is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. I just like to go over things that's interesting and exciting to me. Hopefully that you can kind of get involved with that excitement as well. Anyway, this is again one of my exchanges as far as where I buy precious metals. Again, do your own research, but I think precious metals will have a key component to the new system that's being built. So get your precious metals. That they're going to try to push it down with manipulation, whatever they want to do to try to keep it where it's at, because gold, silver, precious metals, if they have a true value associated with them, then a lot of other problems go away. So anyway, silver is at $26.09. Gold is at $17.25. So guys, these prices, I wouldn't be surprised if I see them go a little bit lower. Just keep your eyes on that and stack it up, because a lot of people are getting on this craze as far as silver, gold, precious metals, cryptocurrencies, things that will help you in case there's there's market turbulence. And just keep in mind, if they begin to raise the interest rates, because right now we're almost at a basic zero. Once they begin to raise the interest rates, guys, the market will go down. Okay, it does the opposite effect of what you want it to do. So keep an eye on that. All right. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys learned something from me today. Pass it on, if you will, on your social media platforms. Share it, retweet it, whatever you want to do. Thank you. I appreciate it. So again, NFTs, Gensler, keep your eyes on these things. Do not be surprised if certain actions are taking place, and try to keep your resolve, try to keep your composure if prices depreciate or go down, because at the end of the day, they do not want cryptocurrency to survive. They don't want it. It's not going anywhere, but it pushes them to the side, because the people then get to create their own value, create their own wealth, and their dollar goes a long way. It goes a lot further than the actual dollar, because now you got to spend $26 American dollars or whatever to get you some precious metal. Okay, so eventually this number will go up, and then it's going to cost you more dollars. So that's why cryptocurrencies, digital assets, are here to stay. Don't be alarmed by anything. Just keep your focus, be patient, persevere through any good times or bad times. Always keep your head, focused. Think intelligently. Okay, think positively. That's most importantly, and always do your research. All right. Anyway, guys, I just again appreciate you guys tuning in. God bless. Take care, and as always, treat everyone with class, dignity, and respect. Bye bye.